Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world and with your soul. I'm here to share my life with you, to help you live a caviar lifestyle on a tuna fish budget. Life circumstances does not have to stop you from living your best life. Hit that subscribe and become a part of the Boujie Bestie crew. To my OGs and new news, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for being here. Know that I love you to the moon and back, and I appreciate you. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Body, come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
Remember to always read the instructions.
All you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
Now, before y'all come for me thinking I'm doing all of this with my bad knee, no. All of this transpired before surgery. This all happened the day before surgery. I went grocery shopping, I bought the desk, put everything together. I did all of this within that little short week of time before my surgery.
I think my heart just skipped a beat. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. My heart is made of stone. I know it's not my fault. It's just the way it is, love. My childhood was a
Hello, besties. Grocery haul.
Hi, Josh. There are a lot of pointy bits.
This is the grocery haul. So we're going to start all the way over here. Texas toast. 2 things of ground meat. For all my new news, what I do with my ground meat this big, I just cut it in half and it gives me 2 meals. I bought 2 of these, so I'll get 4 meals. But for those of you that may not have this many people, you can cut this actually into 4 and it'll give you 4 meals instead of 2. 2 things of pot roast, bell peppers, green, red, and yellow. I don't know. I think orange has disappeared off the planet. I don't know. Shredded lettuce, sweet butter, lettuce, chopped bacon Caesar, 4 bags of shredded lettuce. These are protein snack selects. It has beef bites and cheese in it. It's a good snack. 2 things of Moo Tubes, Go-Gurts, generic Go-Gurts. I did get 2 bologna, but there's 1. Peanut butter, strawberry preserves, sour cream, queso, tomato basil, spaghetti, penne, elbow, cherry tomatoes, strawberry Pop-Tarts, macaroni and cheese, or shells and cheese. 2 things of what are those? Sliced cheese. 3 things of bacon bits, pepperoni, jumbo franks, purple onions, 2 seedless cucumbers, a thing of bacon, 3 things of, what's this called? Yogurt, 2 seafood boil. They actually had them, so I picked those up. The kids actually like this. I don't eat seafood, but my kids and the husband like that. Spiral French fries, waffle fries, original meatballs. This is chicken and 2 pork egg rolls and grilled chicken breast for my salad. Maple sausage, cornbread stuffing, Caesar croutons, chunky salsa, meat spaghetti sauce, 2 bags of chicken patties, stick butter, a box of bacon and cheddar cheeseburgers, maple bacon, 2 bags of chicken nuggets, 1 double-filled generic Oreo, 2 generic chips, chocolate chip, 2 boxes of golden round crackers. This is takeout on the go Kung Pao romaine, tender ramen noodles with Kung Pao sauce. I was gonna try. It says heat and eat, no water needed, so we'll see what happens. And a box of oodles and noodles. 2 things of boneless pork chop, a bag of boneless chicken breasts, and boneless chicken thigh. 2 bags of kettle chips and a bag of the generic chips. We got cupcake, the brownie confettis, honey bun, 2 things of sugar, the meltable cheese for when I make cheese fries, Swiss rolls, another thing of stuffing, chicken, 2 things of cookies. These are the chocolate chip and those are the alphabet sugar cookies. The rest of the shells and cheese, chocolate toaster pastries, Nutter Butters. Here's the other cornbread, and this one is chicken, fruit snacks, cinnamon crunch, marshmallow and stars, the yolk crunch, yogurt, 2 things of cheddar brat, Bridgerton English toffee. I do not watch the show. I see snippets on Facebook. I just wanted to try the English toffee. Olive oil, regular cooking oil, the other thing of bologna, some little cocktail weenies, English muffins. I got English muffins instead of bagels because I just didn't feel like bagels. 2 dozen eggs, strawberry yogurt pretzels for my son, 2 things of hamburger buns, 2 things of hot dog buns, some deli rolls which got smashed, 3 loaves of bread, 2 Hawaiian knockoff rolls, cheese dip and cracker sticks. I got 4 of those. Syrup, pineapple, sliced pineapple, canned chicken, 2 of these sliced potatoes, 2 cans of jelly cranberry sauce, a thing of maple bacon, some relish, and a thing of brown sugar. And that is all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
My feelings got ignored. Now I get back to now's love. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal, stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a rover, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts. I'm not coming to your birthday party. keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh?
The recipes for this and the bang bang shrimp will be down in the description box.
What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder.
Now it's time to say goodbye to all my bougie friends. I hope and pray that this video helped motivate you to get something done or provided you with some good entertainment. Love you, adore you, and I will catch you in the next one.
Maybe just a bit.